Hi, I'm Ted, and today I'm going to show you how to overlay a chart in Excel. So I have a spreadsheet here, and all it is two columns of numbers, and just to make it a little bit interesting, one of them is just the numbers from 1 to 14, and then the second column is just the squares of the numbers, calculated with this formula here. And to make a chart, there's actually quite a few different ways to do it. Different people have different ways they prefer. But the way I would do it is, it's actually, if you first select the range of numbers that you want, and if it's going to be a scatter plot, which is the most common way of presenting XY data, select the two columns of numbers, and then go into the chart menu. And for different operating systems and different versions of Excel, it's going to be a different appearance. What you want is to find the right menu option to create a scatter plot. Scatter plot is just another way of saying XY data. So with the range of data is selected, we're going to click on scatter plot. And now I need to scroll out a little bit so we can see what we're doing. And there are several different options. One is marked scatter, which means we're just going to see the points. Another one is smooth marked scatter, which means it's going to connect lines between the points, and it's going to smooth the curve to make it look rounded instead of jagged. The third one is the same thing but without the points. The fourth one is just connecting the dots one point to the next without attempting to smooth them. And then the last one is the same thing but without actually showing the points. So just for now, let's pick the one with the marked scatter, and lo and behold, there's our plot. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to overlay a chart in Excel, and thank you for watching.